Hello everyone. This is a video tutorial for Learning Targets 1.1 and 1.2 of the density packet. It's basically going to teach you how to measure the volume of an irregularly shaped object or solid, something that is not easy to measure with rulers, so we're going to actually have to submerge it in water. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go backwards. Before, we have the object and we have a graduated cylinder with water. The first thing we're going to do is measure the volume before the object is placed in the graduated cylinder. So if I look at the volume up to the bottom of the meniscus, it's right here on this line, and that is 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. Nope, that doesn't work. How about 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.85? Okay, so that's what it is. 4.8 milliliters. And the next thing to do, if I cross off number 1, is place the object in the graduated cylinder. So if I advance the slide, okay, so there's the object in the graduated cylinder. You can see that we have the dinosaur down here at the bottom, and we can also see that the water level went up. Before, the water level was here, and now it's here. So the question is, how much did it go up? Because however much it went up is how much this object has in volume, in milliliters. So let's see what the measurement is here. It says place the object in the graduated cylinder, done, and then it says measure the volume after the object is placed. So I have 5, 5.2, 5.4, 5.6. So I'm going to write 5.6 above, and that's in milliliters. And then I'm going to subtract the difference there to find out how much volume there is between 4.8 and 5.6. And if I do my subtraction, I would find out that there is 0.8 milliliters. So the volume of this dinosaur is 0.8 milliliters. And that is how you find the volume of an irregularly shaped object. But we're going to do one more. So let's try one more. So if we go to the next slide, we have our before picture. Measure the volume before. So here we go again. We're right on 30. So let's go 30 milliliters. That's our before. Let's cross that one off. Place the object in. Let's see what we have after. So it looks like we have a little rock that we drop down on a string. So that's my object in. That's number 2. Measure the volume after the object is placed in the graduated cylinder. It looks like it was at 30 here, and it looks like it went up to 40 right there. So I'm going to put a 40 milliliters above because we're going to subtract. So if I set up a subtraction problem, 40 minus 30 is 10 milliliters. And the 10 milliliters is the volume of this object here, because this object caused the water to go from 30 up to 40. And so we measured the volume after and we subtracted, and this is the volume, 10 milliliters, the volume of this object. Okay? And that's how we measure the volume of an irregularly shaped object. If you have any questions, you can rewatch the video or you can approach your instructor for help. Good luck.